I got this composter, this tumbling composter, because I really wanted to show my granddaughter, who's 4.5, how we really make compost. Just leaving it flat in a bin isn't good enough. It needs movement, it needs aeration, all that kind of stuff. So I want to give her more of a lesson on this and for us to do it better ourselves. So let's show her. Okay, so you have to pull it this way. Okay, and then put this in there. Yeah. And then this is a compostable bag with lots of compost in it. Can you put that in there? All right, now let's close the door. That's for another time. Can you get some leaves? Good job. Pop it in. Okay, now close it up and spin it.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna spin. Perfect. So although this took a lot to build, it took me an hour and a half to build this. It works really well, it's really sturdy, and it's going to be a great teaching mechanism for her as well as make compost.